Change Princess's theme song.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. So we got a new dog. The princess won't leave her alone. Yeah, she's the one right here. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, girl? What's up, girl? What's up? What's up? Oh, you fell. Get, go. I had to. Oh, I smacked you in the face. I'm so sorry. So, what's up, girls? Now I have two dogs. I had two, which is Bella. Ow. I had two, which is Bella. Now I have, and then I had Princess just by herself. And then we had her. We got her yesterday. I barely charged my phone. My phone's not dead yet. This phone is gone. It charges quick. I had a tablet. I didn't make videos of my reactions to that stuff. Because you're older now, your big sister. So this is her sister, her actual sister, Princess's actual sister. Yeah, I'll pick her up. Yeah. Take a closer look at her. She likes being on the couch. So, yeah.
Get off the couch.
No, mommy, she said.
It's okay, but I'm about to put JoJo on the couch.
Oh yeah, put her on a different couch.
What's up? What's up?
What's up, JoJo? I like to go on this couch. Look. You okay? The reason why she doesn't have a collar is because my mom didn't buy her one yet.
Princess!
What's up? What you think you're doing?
Put the gate up.
Look at her eyes, like her eyes, like, and then it just goes like. But what's up? I'm just showing you off a new update to see my new dog. Basically, she's been sleeping very well. Like the only thing she's scared of is she's scared, and she slept. She slept. Your birthday's next month. You know that, right? You were born on February 14th. I don't even know where she was born. Girl, why are you always running for so? Oh, this is the first time you ran. I haven't. Eat something then. Go. Eat something. What do you think you're doing, huh? What's up?
JoJo, get up, bro.
Now for the update. Talk about the dog, Nani. Talk about the new dog. Talk about the new dog. Talk about the new dog. Talk about it.
Okay, right now.
Huh?
So our new dog, her birthday's gonna be next month, I guess.
No. That's Princess.
Oh,
Next
that's Princess's. Princess was born on Valentine's Day, but I do not know when our new dog's birthday. She's 2 months. Our new dog.
Wait, are you doing a video also?
Yes, I'm doing it.
We're both filming. And I'm okay. That's so awesome.
They're sharing now.
You didn't ever know.
Okay, I'm on video.
It's like we ever know.
Hi, say hi. Hi.
That's JoJo.
My dad's sleeping upstairs. We were watching Tom and Jerry.
No, it's Talking Tom,
I'm
girl.
talking Tom. Okay.
But we're both recording. Show me my phone.
Okay, I'm going to show you this.
Like we're both recording for
We're
some
both
reason.
recording right now.
Yeah, I mean
For some reason.
Yeah, I don't even know why. But put on kids music. I can tell you what music on.
Okay, I want to know.
Look at me when I was so little. Like, when are you gonna end it? That's your fault. What do you think you're doing? Huh? Oh, she eating my food. She like, get off my food. Well, I'm gonna make a plushie video today and an update on my new dog. She's new, so I actually spend time with her. Yeah, I basically dropped her yesterday. I was so used to Princess that I dropped her. My brother right here. Come look at all cool, like you think you cool. My headphones I used for the gaming video I made up. Yeah. No, don't fall, freak.